In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what each option means, so you can confidently bring new team members into your CRM. Let's start from inside your Zoho CRM account on the main dashboard. To begin adding a user, first move to the top right corner of the screen and look for the setup icon. This is the small gear symbol that opens your system settings. Click on that gear icon and you'll be taken to the setup area. Within Setup, look for the section labeled General. This is where most of your basic organization-wide settings live. Under General, you'll see an option called Users. Go ahead and click on Users. This page shows you everyone who currently has access to your CRM, along with their status, roles, and profiles. To add someone new, look for the button that says New User or has a plus sign next to it. Click on New User to open the user creation form. This is where you'll enter the basic details for the person you're inviting. You'll see fields for first name, last name, and email. Type in the user's first name and last name exactly as you want them to appear inside the system. Then, in the email field, enter the work email address they'll use to log in. Take a second to double-check the spelling here, because Zoho will send the invitation and login instructions to this email address. If it's incorrect, they won't receive the invite. Next, you'll need to select a role and a profile for this user. These two settings are important because they control what the user can see and do inside your CRM. The role usually reflects the user's position in your organization's hierarchy, such as sales rep, sales manager, or administrator. Roles can affect data visibility, like which records they're allowed to view based on ownership or team structure. The profile, on the other hand, defines permissions. This includes actions like whether they can create, edit, delete, or export records, and which modules they can access. Choose a role and profile that match this person's responsibilities. If you're unsure, start with a more restricted profile and you can always adjust it later. Once you've entered the user's information and chosen the appropriate role and profile, review everything one more time. When you're happy with the details, click Save. After you save, Zoho will send an invitation email to the address you provided. The new user just needs to follow the instructions in that email to activate their account and log in. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new user to Zoho CRM.